Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Jeep Patriot Latitude. Stock number is A8322. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. We're going to take a look down the passenger side here and a quick peek at the alloy wheels as well as the tread on the tires. Good tread left here. Inside you have cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. There's no rips or tears on any of the seats. We're going to take one more look down the passenger side before we swing around to the back end. We're going to take a look in the hatch. There is plenty of storage room here in the hatch, as well as a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. You have the usual power amenities here on the door. Inside, you have your cruise controls mounted to the steering wheel. You also have your audio controls here as well. Full touch screen that includes your stereo. Your climate controls are here. You have dual heated seats and your automatic transmission. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Jeep on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.